Hey everyone, it is Nicole. Autumn is finally here. That weather is so nice and crisp. The leaves are changing colors and it is cozy season. So I figured I would make a new autumn makeup inspired look suitable for both cool and warm tones and showcasing my new favorite products. I'll be showing you guys how to do a beautiful, natural, everyday autumn glam. So continue watching if you want to know how I did it. Let's begin. First, we will start applying a thin layer of this Ilia SPF tint that I have been using since the summer. Next, we will be applying a light layer of this MAC paint pot for an eyeshadow base. It is brow time, so I found these gems in the heart of Queens in a Japanese convenience store. They are brow products by Can Make Tokyo, a very popular Japanese drugstore brand, in these beautiful sakura brown shades. For eyeshadow, we'll be using this beautiful new Dasik palette. Apply this base shade all over your lids, and also on the lower eyelid. Apply this peachy nude shade on your outer and under eyelid. I have been using this palette daily since the summertime up until now. I highly recommend it. Now dip into this beautiful auburn tone on top of what we just did. I'm just happy this shade suits me so well because these type of shades can turn out too orange for my eyes. Next, dip into this light color, apply it to the front and middle of your eye and blend it into the auburn shade. Next, use your finger to apply this shimmery shade under your eyelid. These highlighters that released not too long ago are so pretty because they're very glass-like and not too glittery. Apply this either with a finger or a brush to the inner corner of your eye. And now to top off the eyeshadow look, we're using this beautiful glittery eyeshadow topper by Can Make Tokyo. For eyeliner, we're going to be using this amazing, discontinued, sadly, Ramen eyeliner. Please come back in stock. And to finish off the eye look, we're going to be using the Lancome Idol Mascara. I love this mascara because it is not waterproof, but it does last all day and it does not melt onto my lower eyelid. Finally, moving on to blush, we're going to be using the new Dasik Rose Milk Tea palette. I was eyeballing this palette for a while, deciding if I really wanted it or not. But, of course, I visited Korea and picked it up in the Dasik store itself, and I'm so happy I did. I feared it was going to be too warm, but it is actually really flattering for my skin tone, especially with the lighter shades that you can blend. We will be dipping into this 2AN highlighter again for highlight. I really love the consistency of this highlighter. Instead of it being really thick glitter particles, it's like a really natural sheen. Moving on to lips. There is no lip look without a lip liner. This is like my 7th pencil I bought from Heart%. I have used these lip tints before and really love them. This color is new. It is so pretty. I just wish they had a full size. And that concludes my autumn makeup look. I hope you guys liked my look. I hope you guys liked my video. I know I took a few month break and it's because I have been traveling, but I'm back now and I'm going to be coming out with videos more frequently. Thank you for your patience and thank you for supporting my channel. Bye guys, until next time.